Right, hi everyone, welcome back. Now, before we get started this week, just remember to subscribe for more weekly videos. I do weekly videos on Trading 212 platform here in the UK. And yeah, let's get into the video. Right, now, there's been a few updates this week with the portfolio, and as you can see, we're up massively. At one point during the week, we was up well over 100%. I don't know what day it was on. Wednesday it was about 100 and odd percent on Wednesday, mainly due to the big rally in Bitcoin. Now, anyone who's following Bitcoin or anything would know that I think today we're at about £41,000 in the UK, which is about 57,000 on the US market. So obviously the next big target is $60,000. So we need to see if we can break that. And it's quite incredible, really. It's one of those things where it's starting to become a bit of a self-fulfilling prophecy, really, but we'll see how it goes, really, in the future. But yeah, there's been a lot of institutional investing and a lot of sort of under-the-table investing, shall we say. So let's see what is happening with that. But yeah, as for the portfolio, the main drivers of the profit has been Argo Blockchain and the Bitcoin ETP. So Argo Blockchain, is up for the week. Yeah, it's up 100% really. For me, it's up 288%. I did see this fluctuate this week. It was up over 300 and odd percent. I genuinely believed in this company because, I understood the fundamentals of it, but, I didn't think it was going to take off so quick. And obviously this is really, a lot of it's reflected in the price of Bitcoin. So that is why there has been this massive sort of surge upwards. But, it's the classic thing of, honestly, if I knew these existed, I would have been putting a lot more money in earlier last year. So that is a big, big shame. But yeah, things looking good for Argo Blockchain. They've got a YouTube channel as well, which is nice. They're very transparent and they're very sort of honest with their plans and, what their plans are going forward in the future and, where they're sort of giving shares away for certain projects and things like that. They're very, very transparent. It's quite refreshing. So that was quite a nice fan to find their YouTube channel. So if anyone is an Argo Blockchain investor, go find their YouTube channel. It's really cool. Bitcoin ETP, obviously I'm not allowed to buy because of bureaucracy and such. But yeah, this is up. Yeah, just to contrast that, this is up 13% compared to this, which is up 100%. So yeah, just to contrast them two things. And this is more reflective of the actual pure price of Bitcoin, which is, I think it's up about 20% for the week or something like that. But yeah, again, it's what it is. This is what I've got, and that's what I can't change this now. The only way I can change this is if I sell, and I don't plan on selling anytime soon. Oh, ignore that. Right, yeah, the average price there, 15.9 euros, and obviously we're at 44 euros, so we're doing okay up to now. But yeah, we'll see where that is in the future. Now, I did buy a little bit more of Tesla this week when it dipped. Where are we for the week? Dipped down to about 779. I think I managed to get it about 780, and obviously it's settled back down there. But I'm going to keep an eye on this. I've bought a couple of shares of Tesla leveraged 2 times, and yeah, could get burnt doing this, but I'm quite happy with risk. Long term, I see this being good. Also dabbled in the three times long shared Tesla. Now, I have done this before and I did make quite a bit of money, but at the moment it just feels like we're at a sort of consolidation sort of. It feels like the market's very unsure at the moment about Tesla. And there's a lot of news about a lot of other companies, and there's a lot of news and a lot of noise coming out of that sort of sector at the moment, regardless of Tesla investing in Bitcoin. So that's that's one to watch, because I think if it breaks its current support, we could see the price drop quite significantly. I think we could see like a 700, but possibly cheaper Tesla, and if that's the case, I will be in. But rather than just buying the actual stock with some free funds I've got in there, I will be buying the leveraged version, just so I can make some more money. Then obviously, if Tesla, best case scenario, Tesla went to $2,000, imagine. You're only, I say only, obviously if you're not investing like hundreds of thousands of pounds, you're not going to get as monstrous returns. So it's sort of, if you're prepared to take a little bit more risk, then this is how I'd like to do it. And I'm not one for CFD trading or anything like that, so this is how I'd like to sort of take my risk, really. But obviously you do what you want with your own money. The actual sort of market this week, S&P 500, is up, but it's down 1% for the week on this ETF anyway. So, we really can't complain for the sort of return we're getting. And, I'm really surprised with Merck. Obviously, everyone could see that I've sold quite a lot of companies now. But Merck, the fundamentals of the company have not really changed, still pay a decent dividend. And it's very frustrating, because this would be a company I quite like to put money in, but I have adjusted my strategy to a more growth strategy now, so this is just slightly going away from it. But, I will adjust my strategy once I've reached a target that I've got in mind, or a rough target for the sort of capital appreciation from Bitcoin and Tesla. I will be selling out of these things, and I will be moving into more, assets that are going to pay cash flow as well, sort of thing. But yeah, that's about it really for the week. Somebody in the comments asked yesterday about how to buy Bitcoin, and personally, if I was buying Bitcoin, I'd feel depending on how much money you've got to invest, I would feel quite comfortable investing in companies like Argo Blockchain, and I think there is Riot Blockchain, and I think there's possibly an ETF to do with crypto as well now, but I can't find it on Trading 212. Obviously, it depends what platform you're on. But yeah, I'd be very happy doing that, because clearly it's tax-free through your ISA. But the other platform I use is Coinbase, really. And there is Binance in the UK. So yeah, I hope that helps you out anyway. Thanks for the comment. And speak to you all soon.